Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and I am here to plan the week of the 12th to the 19th, no, 12th to the 18th of August 2019 in my Erin Condren Neutral Horizontal Life Planner. I am using this sunflower kit from Plannerface. So this is a deluxe mini kit, so you've got these 3 sheets with that. I put date dots on there. I got the glitter add-on and then you got these 4 add-on boxes. With this I'm going to use my, these were a limited edition in my shop for the Planning Artisan sale. So I'm using those foil overlays in hollow. I've got this washi from Fox and Cactus with black foil and I have my usual stickers pulled out. In line with my new planning, I'm trying to keep my planner still. So I don't know where to start. I might start at the top with the washi. So for the washi at the top, I'm going to use this washi from the kit along with this one. This one's going to go underneath, I think. So let's just get started with that. And I thought I might try a new thing actually, where I cut this on a diagonal and I cut the other one on a diagonal and they make a flag like together, if that makes sense, rather than each one making their own flag, but we'll see. So that's that. I really like that. I know the flags aren't quite even, but I actually quite like it, so that will do for that. So then we'll do our sidebar-y bit. So I'm going to text out this as usual. So because I have all of the glitter headers that I'm not going to use all of, I'm just going to pull those in to make this smaller full box at least a proper sized full box. Because this is the mini kit, so she has mini boxes, but it's slightly too small for the horizontal. So there we go, like that. That's that bit. Then on this side we always have our to-do list, and there is a shorter to-do list here. So then we have our 3 habit trackers here. So there are 2 in the kit, if I can find them. They were on that sheet I was already holding, and then one other will be a silver foiled one. And then last but not least, we've got this little gap where we will pop in a strip of washi and my main goal for the week, which is going to be getting shop orders out. I'm going to use a little bit of this dark blue. However, before I do that, I need to put my date colours down so I can put my glitter header here so I know how long this needs to be. So that's what we're going to do first, so date colours. So I'm going to text out these. That's our date dots down. And then to divide this, I obviously can't use I could use the orange actually. I could use any colour of glitter header. I think I'm going to use the bright yellow though. Yeah, that's just what I'm feeling. And then in this gap we've just got space for my main goal for the week, which will be getting all of my orders out before I go away. So that's that. Next up, because there are so many full boxes in this kit, so there's 2 there, 2 there, 4, 5, and we can steal 2 from this, so that's 7 full boxes. So we can put a full box on every single day. So that's going to be the next job. I'm just going to work out where they're going to go. So I used all 8 of those, and you can see the foil better in some places than others, but yeah, it's really beautiful in person. But yeah, obviously I had to cut a lot of them down because they weren't my full size, but I do make horizontal size overlays. I just use Oops from my shop, so I don't tend to use them myself. So now we can actually move on to the day by day and get some actual planning done-ish. We can't move to the day by day, actually that's not quite true. What we need to do first is pop in the events that are going on this week. So the main one is my mum and dad are going to Florida this week. We are joining them next Friday. Yeah. So this big long strip of washi is to mark my parents going to Florida. They go this week, and at some point we are joining them. I know when we're joining them, but just, yeah. So just popping that down from that, and just got this Disney sticker to represent, because we are going to Disneyland. They stuck together and I don't think they're gonna come apart. I love premium matte until it sticks to itself, and then it's a blooming pain. So like that sticker wasn't centered and I wanted to center it a bit better. It was really hard to get off. And the other thing I need to mark, gosh, Saturday and Sunday these 3 days are gonna be stuffed. Saturday to Sunday we are going to a wedding, so I'm just going to use, I think I'm going to use the blue. I was going to use the yellow washi, but I'm going to use this blue just because it's a bit more of a contrast to this washi, and I'm just going to use that to mark us going to Stoke for the weekend. So that's to represent being in Stoke. So time to now run through the day by day. There isn't that much for most of the days because I've not quite got my head around GP and how much time I'm going to have in the evening, but I do have Fridays off work, so I'm actually going to pop this weekend banner. Now I'm still going to pop it between Friday and Saturday because it is technically the weekend. So that's that. Then I'm going to mark my... Now we're going to go do a bit, I promise. Maybe. So, I'm going to start with Sunday, when we will be driving back from Stoke. And then we need to get some packing done, because we won't have another day off work before we go. So that's that, and then I'll just... I think I might just use a flag for packing actually, because I don't really need to say anything other that isn't, do you know what I mean? I don't need to explain what that girl is doing. She is obviously trying to squidge things into a suitcase. That means packing, and just leaves me a little bit of space to play with. While I remember, I am going to put in my videos for the week, so I'm hoping to have a video on Monday and Friday. And then the other thing like that is on Saturday I have a bill due. I feel like on Saturday and Sunday I will need the to-do list, I think. But anyway, Saturday I have a bill due. So let's just squidge that on there. Cool. So, and in fact I'm going to work backwards I think. So we need to drive to Stoke. It is my friend's wedding. So I think we'll put in a half box for the wedding, because I mean you can't have a wedding without a half box really, can you? And then just going to squidge that there because we'll potentially go for a meal with Soshin's family, and then that's for driving to the wedding. Over here I'm just going to pop this down because I really need to get all my orders posted that day, because I don't know when I'll next have the opportunity to post them. So that's the weekend, which is looking very full. Friday is also going to be looking quite full because I'm off work, but yeah, so I want to do lots of shop stuff to get those orders ready to go out. print, cut and foil. I also want to do some filming, ready for being away. Make sure everything's filmed because I don't really want to take all my video equipment with me. This is looking very no white spacing, which is not what I go for in the horizontal at all, but it will. My prepayment certificate is also due that day. That's just to remind me of that. And then Sojin will be working, my boyfriend. So should grab one final box for that, except I don't want it to be that colour. And the little bow is to mean that, to show that it's Sojin at work, not me. So that is that half of the week. I'm going to put to-do lists down here. It's looking very full in it. The other half of the week is going to look far less full, which is partly why we did that half first. In fact, do these little to-do lists fit? But then I've only got 3 to-dos. No, they're too short anyway, so that's fine. So for Sojin's work, I'm just going to pop those small boxes down every day because he is working every day, as am I, but well, every day this half of the week at least. He's on long days, the Monday and Tuesday as well, I've got to remember that. So the last thing to mark is my work, and I'm doing not long days, but they are quite long days, so I actually think I'm going to use half boxes every day for my work. It also helps differentiate it from Sojin's work, because whilst that does impact on me, it doesn't impact on me quite as much as my own work does, obviously. And that'll use up the half boxes nicely. I just hope there's nothing else I want to put in a half box really. I've got one other half box. I've got other stuff I can use as half boxes, but so then I'm just going to pop the working shifts in. So that's that, and then we just have 2 last things to mark, which on Monday I want to try and post some orders that I'm working on this weekend. It's actually only, what day is it? Saturday when I film this. It feels like Sunday because of the whole not being at work on a Friday thing. That's just for trying to get the orders out. And then my mum and dad go on this day. I'm really sad. I will miss them very much. I will be seeing them quite soon, but I will miss them. I'm quite glad we're going when we're going because we're going like halfway through their trip, so we'll get to see them quite a lot. Like it won't be that long between me seeing them. I really, really get on with my parents. If you haven't gathered, and it's weird being away from them for so long. So that's that. So there is my pre-planned spread, other than my to-do lists, which I'll go and grab now after I've written everything in. So from the kit left so far, I've got loads of boxes left, absolutely tons of boxes. I'm not used to using a full box on every day. I'm used to having far more space to fill up. So tons of boxes, Monday through Friday, flags, a weekend banner, lots from the sampler, some more boxes, those checklists, the deco. So that will stay in the back of my planner to finish off the week and use every day. Oh, and we also have those 3 washi bits. So we just need to write everything in now and pop down the checklists. So I'm going to do that. So that is my finished pre-planning all done. I'm really struggling to get that foil wiggle on the hollow. I think it's partly because of the light. I really like that this actually kind of fits around that. It looks a bit weird, but it fits. So yeah, I'm loving how summery, I'm loving yellow at the moment. So yeah, this is giving me so much joy. So yeah, I'll be back in a sec with the finished spread. Okay, so here we have the finished spread. I hate that hollow doesn't filmed very well. It looks absolutely stunning in person and the hollow's really obvious. I don't feel like it is as obvious on the spread. But yeah, I am loving how that looks. The hollow in these looks fabulous. I've been better at my planner this week, not as good as I'd have liked, but better. So yeah, so this is the spread. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let's just flip through where everything's from. The kit is Plannerface. All the foil overlays are my own. They are no longer available because they were a $2 Tuesday special or £2 Tuesday special. Let's just take that clip off. So Tilly10 will help you save at Plannerface. I do get free stuff for advertising for her. All the washi overlays are my own. Washi is from Fox and Cactus. So used to saying Simply Gilded. Date dots are on mine, as are these heart checklists. This is from Fox and Cactus, which will now be known as Foctus. Handcrafted by Cherie, who will just be Cherie from now on. This is mine, but not from the shop. Foctus, Foctus. Once more with love. Once more with love. Once more with love. Cherie, Cherie. Cozy Paper Co. Foctus, Cherie. And all of those. Me. Once more with love. These are both mine. Cherie. Cherie. Me. Fox and Cactus. Cherie. Cherie. Me. Toffee Bananas. Same on this page, except these countdowns are from Kay Elizabeth Plans. Everything else is the same at that point. These three are all mine. This is Foctus. Fellow Fabulous. Coffee Monsters Co. Toffee Bananas. Foctus. Plannerface but not the kit. Strawberry Lamb Designs. Strawberry Lamb Designs. Foctus. Harriet Wright Designs. Cherie. Me. Once more with love. Me. Cherie. Fox and Cactus. Me. And that is it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. I love this kit. I'm living for sunflowers. I think they're my favourite flower at the moment. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks again for watching. Bye! Well, that's part of work.